How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. Before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account, there are certain methods you need to follow, and the method that is only possible is P2P. So in order to withdraw money from P2P process, you just need to open up the app. After launching the app, you just need to tap on that box at the top left. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, you just need to tap on sell. Here you just need to tap on sell, and here you need to link your bank account, your bank details, your bank account number. For that, you just tap on three dot, and here tap on payment methods. On payment method, just include your bank details and everything, and tap on bank transfer. After that, get back to this page, and you need to, after that, just sell. After that, you need to sell crypto. So in order to do that, you need to select one of the merchants here. The merchants with the right on their profile is the verified user that will help you withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. So just select on one of the merchants. After that, enter your amount that you want to withdraw from, and that's how you basically withdraw money from Bitget to bank account easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.